guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a star garland for our Christmas decorations. For this star garland, we are using 3 color of foam sheets, a paper cutter, pencil, thread and needle and a ruler. Our first step is to draw a star. Draw a triangle and then another inverted triangle. This way you will get a nice 6-pointed star. Then cut it using the paper cutter and use it as stencil to cut all other stars. Once you have all the star cutouts, it's time to hang these on these threads. Start by putting the needle through the front, pulling it all the way to the back. String the rest of the stars the same way. Now we are going to take a rectangular sheet of white paper, fold it like this to make a triangle, cut off the spare paper, now we will fold it one more time. The next step is to make 2 triangles out of this. So we are going to fold it to 2/3 like this. Flip it over and fold the other edge like this so that you have one triangle with 3 edges. Now cut the excess corners. Grab your template and see which one of these patterns you want to design. I'm going with this one. Now cut on the outlines. Now unfold the paper and you will see a pattern emerging. Here is your snowflake. Put it on one end, drive it through to the other end and thread it further. You can make as many patterns as you want. I have gone with different snowflake patterns here. There you go. Your snowflake garland is ready to adorn your windows, doors and empty walls. How to make this cute wooden bead Christmas garland. For our wooden bead Christmas garland, we are using 4 sizes of wooden beads, this jute twine, scissors and a needle. Take about 2 meters of twine and thread the needle. Once the thread is needled, we begin by adding the biggest bead, then a medium one. You can add the beads randomly or create a nice symmetrical pattern. I am going freehand here. Now that your garland is ready, we are going to add some ornaments to it. To add some dazzle to our wooden bead Christmas garland, I have made these Tessal Christmas trees from our jute twine. If you want to see a full tutorial, comment below and I can create a new video for this. Now add these tassels at the end of your garland. And here is your wooden bead Christmas garland. Let us know if you recreate this cute garland at home and share your pictures and videos with us. Welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make this Christmas tree tassel garland. We are using green yarn, wooden beads, some styrofoam balls and paper stars and a scissors. First we are going to create a yarn skein around the palm like this. Keep rolling till you have a thick skein of yarn. Remove it. Take a smaller piece and tie in the middle. Like this. Then put your scissors through the other loop and cut it. Now take a longer piece of yarn, fold the tassel in half like this and tie a knot on top. Make the ends even and prepare 2 more such tassels to make one tree. Now we have 3 tassels. We are going to flip it like this. Add a small amount of hot glue and put the head of the other tassel like this. We are going to repeat the process with our 3rd tassel. Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today I am going to teach you how to make this Christmas house garland. To make this Christmas house garland, you need foam sheets, string lights, a scale, a paper cutter and a pencil. Begin by measuring 2 inches on this side and 2 inches on this side. This will serve as the dough for the house. Now you can measure the windows with same length and width. For doors, we will create a triangle over our 2 inches. And then we are going to add the frames. Make an arched door on both sides. Now add divisions to your door. You can go in symmetry with the windows. A central frame and further division. Now we are going to add some more divisions. We will cut this half, this shaded half there. Now let's get to cutting. You can use your ruler to help you get a straight line, or go at it with free hand. Now here is a cutout of your door. Now we will cut these shaded parts. We are going to take our string lights cut it like this and add glue on these areas and shut it. Make as many as houses you need by the same process and add them to your string light. Here is your Christmas house garland all ready.